Okay, so this is my video assignment 1, and I will be showing you how to do a translation and reflection. Okay, so my instructions up here tell me that I need to translate down 2 and right 4. So I'm going to do that by moving points down 2 and then moving these points here, right 4. You can either draw this extra triangle right here, or you can just go right ahead and move them down 2 and right 4 without even drawing this. It doesn't really matter. What you could also do is you could use this formula over here. You could add 4 to x and subtract 2 from y, because you're going right along the x-axis. So you're moving over, and you're subtracting 2 from the y because you're moving down 2. You're adding 4 because it's going right is a positive translation, and you're subtracting 2 from y because going down is a negative translation. Okay. So I'm also my instructions also say that I need to reflect the pre-image over the x-axis. I underlined that so I would not reflect any of these triangles over here like I did right here and right here. So how to do this, you would count how many points it takes to the x-axis, then you would take those points and let's see, there are 4 points right here. So you would take these 4 points and you'd use 4 more points to get to the reflective point, because this is the point you're reflecting over. From here it's 6, so you move down 6. But for here it's 4 as well, because A and C are on the same y-axis here. So you could do that, and let's see, I'm going to label this A double prime, sorry, B double prime, and C double prime. Alright, and there's my finished triangle. So I could have done it this way, or I could use this formula over here. As we can see in the graph right here, it stays along the same axis right here. The x-axis doesn't change at all, but what does change is the y-axis, and we move from 4 to -4, 6 to -6. So you could do this algebraically by dividing -6 by 6 or 6 by -6 and getting -1. So you could say that well, instead of just x and -y, you could just say x and -1 times y will get you your new image. Alright, so your new points here from 3, 4, you get 3, -4, 5, 6, 5, and -6, 7, 4, 7, and -4. And these are your image points. And here's the triangle. Alright, this was a translation and reflection, and I'm done now.